What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready to do hockey break later tonight. We got SP Authentic 5-box mixer and 6 spots up for grabs right now. Top 4 teams, top 4 spots are getting top 4 teams are getting spots. We're live. Good luck, folks. Here we go. It is 3:32 in Newfoundland. We're not live for this until later tonight. 1, 2, 3. You're looking for top 4, preferably top 2, but we'll take top 4. Third time stamp on the video is at 3:32. 3:32 it is. Last and final, top 4, good luck. And we have Brett taking home 2 spots. Brennan taking home 2 spots. David and Doug taking home a spot each. So 9, 4, 8, and 3 are the lucky spots. $3.32 and $3.32 it is. So congratulations, Brett, Brendan, David, and Doug. I'm going to tag you guys in to make your picks. Congrats again. We'll see you for the break tonight. Thanks, guys.